Dr. Hamilton here with the Better Way Center, and today our segment is going to be on active play, which you may be able to do instead of working out. Now, I'm not saying that working out supersedes or is better than. This segment is specifically for my parents who have young kids or infants or toddlers, and we're going to be showing examples of active play. I have my son, Jeremiah, here with me. He's 9 months, and as you can see, he's currently crawling. We'll do other segments with older kids, but I wanted to kind of demonstrate some things that you could do with your younger kids. I'm at home today, my older kids are in school, so kind of demonstrate what I do with him in order to get active play, in order to burn more calories. So he likes to crawl around, and I will often get on the ground with him also. But instead of crawling with him, you can do bear crawls. Back is flat, knees are up, if you can see them, and then crawl, crawl. And I will chase him, and I will chase his balls around, and I will make sure he doesn't hurt himself by doing bear crawls. This is called active play, and you will actually burn a lot of calories by doing that. The other thing that you can do is crab walks. And I'll also demonstrate that too. When you're on the ground with your toddler, you can do crab walks. Butt up, arms out. Just working core and arms. Bear crawl works legs, core, and arms. And you can bear crawl around with your toddler. The other thing that I do when he wants to walk is instead of bending over like this, I squat down. And I walk with him. Walk around. Use those legs and walk around. I'm not a personal trainer, but these are things that can be done for active play where you can burn calories without per se working out. You can even get lower. Oops. And this is a skirt, by the way. This is shorts underneath. And you could also duck walk if you have a toddler. That is walking. Another thing you can do for abs, because a lot of people, is I will use him almost like a medicine ball and put him on my stomach and do my sit-ups. You can, kisses, hugs, don't go all the way down. You can even lift him up and make it a game for him. Lift up, down. And get more of a workout with it. And just play with your toddler. Be active, and you can also work out. And I may not have to work out today because I have him, and we're just playing. And this is what you can do for my active moms or parents, dads too, who don't have time to work out but have a toddler. Later on, we're going to go for a walk in the stroller. And his weight, he's about 17 pounds, and the stroller, I will burn twice the amount of calories just by walking around with him. So, again, I'm not a personal trainer. I'm a bariatric surgeon, and I'm just giving people ideas, practical ideas to work out, stay active, be healthy. We are out. Have a great day. I'd love your comments on how this works. Bear crawling around this house, you'd be surprised how many calories you will burn. Make comments, let me know. I'll have more segments on active play that can replace workouts. Till next time.